Ay. Pues una más. Perfumería. ¿Tiene mi perfume ahí o no? Todavía no llegó. Mi perfume. Cristiano Ronaldo Legacy. ¿No llegó? Hay que hablar con los fornecedores. Estoy trabajando mal.
Voy a hacer una foto contigo.
Yeah. Hey everybody. My name is E-Double. Their name is PJ Harvey. Let's go. Mama told me. Yeah. Black paisley. Mama told me. Yeah. Come on. Mama told me. One day I'ma grow up big and I'ma be a king. And my papa told me it's okay to sit where shit hurts. Don't forget your dreams, cause they'll get you through this so-called life they call living, but I call it strange. And I bet I'll do it, cause I'm on my way and strong enough that I can shake the pain. Hey, Mr. Sunshine, Mr. Rainstorm, meet me in the conference room, we need to brainstorm. Need some middle ground, need an even keel. But you're a war, pick up sides, give me fever chills. Take them both like my flu shot broke. I need to give and take to keep me out of that moat. My head above water, thoughts of those lost this week. All the tragedies say on repeat like we can't shake shit. I can't speak on it, fist to the sky but I can't beat on it. Drinking my cup so I'm gon' sip on them. Cam Newton's probably pissed, you can't stiff on them. All these levels of these relative problems and benevolent intelligence for those who can solve them. I'm feeling pretty low like I'm stuck at the bottom, but I know I'll rebound like the Bulls with Rodman. I am just exactly what I will be, just a guy who can rhyme and chop ill beats. One day I'll recover from what ails me. Till then I'm on that fuck what the sales be. My mama told me one day I'ma grow up big and I'ma be a king. And my papa told me it's okay to sit where shit hurts. Don't forget your dreams, cause they'll get you through this so-called life they call living, but I call it strange. And I bet I'll do it, cause I'm on my way and strong enough that I can shake the pain. They talk about death, we trying to live life while they signal says left, but they really going right. But who cares, they got nothing to improve upon. Meanwhile we pass them fast lane Rubicon. So let the shitstorm ring and they try to dap us up, but we just leave them hanging. Yeah, so let them catch up with the language. They can talk shit, but you know that we can manage. They say they tired of the metaphors, they are only pissed that they never really ready for them. So go ahead and get ready for them. Pop another bottle, cause you're gonna need a steady arm. It's like we living in the Tron game. Lines are all blurred cause we're sipping on the Bombay. John Stock versus LeBron James. No competition when you factor in the time change. Babe Ruth sucks, fuck what the books say. I can strike him out with 3 pitches in an arm sling. Yeah, and we can do anything. Mama said it's true and I put that on everything. Mama told me one day I'ma grow up big and I'ma be a king. And my papa told me it's okay to sit where shit hurts. Don't forget your dreams, cause they'll
Está simpático. No, sí, ella, ¿no? Nada, chao. Vamos. No vou dizer nada. Vou dizer assim, normalmente ele é assim tão simpático. La última.
Tengo un hijo muy fan.
No va a ser la última, dame, yo
A ver
saco.
cómo se hace esto, que no sé. Es que bien lo has hecho.
A ver,
¿Lo vemos?
¿está bien?
Digo yo. Tú no sabes mucho de esto, seguro, la que no tengo ni idea. ¿Sí?
Más o menos.
Ya lo he hecho alguna vez.
Sí, ¿no?
Está bien, está bien.
Vale, muchísimas gracias.
Nada. Hola. Todavía no, de 2 minutos solo. Vamos.
2 minutos solo ya.
Has llamado a tus amigas, ¿eh?
Sí. Muchas gracias.
Vale, nada, chao. Vamos, las dos a la vez. ¿Trabajo aquí, vosotras? ¿Trabajo aquí?
Sí.
¿Dónde? ¿Cuál es la tienda?
La perfumería.
Tryna get it like me, can't get it like me. Tryna get it like me. Tryna get it like, can't get it like. On the west side, bringing out my best side, where they only care about bitches and how big they breast size is. Yes, I is on the come up there and all of y'all to run up, cause you know I'm finna win a motherfucker. Pull up in the Benz where the homies smoking medical. Only bring your friends if them bitches look identical. The pinnacle of what we doing ain't nowhere around. Started from the ground, always gotta hold it down. Now they think they got it cause they signed up on the data, but there's only so much money in the year that is allotted. Plus you probably don't even know how it is divided. Motherfucker, I got it. Tryna get it like me, can't get it like me. Tryna get it like me. Tryna get it like, can't get it like. Tryna get it like me, can't get it like me. Tryna get it like me. Tryna get it like, can't get it like. Acting like they got it, but they really don't. They really don't. Bitches say they love me, but they really don't. They really don't. Shut the fuck up and get out my face, ho. Fuck out my face. Talking all that shit, but you don't really know. Put that pen to pad and watch them talk about it. All I know is real life. They don't give a fuck about it. Take your chain, your bitch, your car, get the fuck about it. Realest on the rise, all of y'all demise. This is who I am, so ain't no need for a disguise. I have been advised by the greatest that made it to do it. Living legends, but you never knew it. Yeah, this record was written right before I got on the stage. My mind racing, reciting lyrics from pen to page. Bitch, I bet I record this record on the Bretta. Just because I said I was a Jedi, bust like Beretta and I feel my penetration. No hesitation, this is warfare. Like a gorilla, banana clips get me ill. I fucking feel it. This is the realest symphony. I'ma kill this epiphanies. I can feel this. But you tryna get it like me, can't get it like me. Tryna get it like me. Tryna get it like, can't get it like. Tryna get it like me, can't get it like me. Tryna get it like me. Tryna get it like, can't get it like.
Get it like me, I'm a real young winner. Might take it out to dinner, tryna hit it all night. I put that on me, baby girl gon' feel it. I know she by the business. If she want it, then she knows she about to get it. Throw some D's on that bitch. Pull up in the Audi coupe, feeling like Hercules in the whip. Cause I'm dealing it, got it off the dealership. We be going hard, no motherfucker censorship. Piece of cat squad, started tell me what the dilly is. She gon' roll with us like she need a ride to the crib. She influenced me to go hard. Shout out to my niggas that's gon' go hard. We gon' get the private player, that just be the logic. Put my hands together, pray, then I doze off.
Tryna get it like me, can't get it like me. Tryna get it like me. Tryna get it like, can't get it like. Tryna get it like, tryna get it like me, can't get it like me. Tryna get it like me. Tryna get it like, can't get it like.
Get it like me, I'm a real young winner. Might take it out to dinner, tryna hit it all night. I put that on me, baby girl gon' feel it. I know she by the business. If she want it, then she knows she about to get it. Throw some D's on that bitch. Pull up in the Audi coupe, feeling like Hercules in the whip. Cause I'm dealing it, got it off the dealership. We be going hard, no motherfucker censorship. Piece of cat squad, started tell me what the dilly is. She gon' roll with us like she need a ride to the crib. She influenced me to go hard. Shout out to my niggas that's gon' go hard. We gon' get the private player, that just be the logic. Put my hands together, pray, then I doze off.
Tryna get it like me, can't get it like me. Tryna get it like me. Tryna get it like, can't get it like. Tryna get it like me, can't get it like me. Tryna get it like me. Tryna get it like, can't get it like.